Hi there. Welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Today the episode is of a different kind. Today I'm going to review a book. And for book lovers who have been brought up on Agatha Christie stories, I think this is something for you. People who have loved Agatha Christie and her characters have always been fascinated by how she had pioneered detective stories over so many books that she has written. I was a Agatha Christie fan since boyhood, particularly the character of Hercule Poirot. I found the character very fascinating, and it's different from the other famous detective character that we've always loved, Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes was more of a maverick, and who had great deduction powers, observation powers to solve crime. Whereas Hercule Poirot was a more measured detective who took his time to understand the situation and then use his deduction powers to figure out the crime, solve the crime. Very fascinating, and we always thought that if there was ever a chance that the character could continue into story after story even after Agatha Christie passed on. So here is the opportunity now. So they have a new author who is extending the character's run into popular stories. The author is Sophie Hannah. I came to know about the author through the virtual session that I attended, where she was interviewed by the Indian author Ravi Subramaniam on Bangalore Literature Festival virtual session. And she talks about how she was chosen for this character for her to continue writing stories on it by the Agatha Christie Foundation, and how she has been a die-hard Agatha Christie fan since she was a kid, and that reflects in her writing as she continues the character. So this is the book that she has written, which is the latest book. It is The Killing at Kingfisher Hill. This is the latest book on Hercule Poirot's story. She has done a fabulous job of writing the story. It's a typical Agatha Christie type murder mystery where a person is murdered at Kingfisher Hill estate, and Hercule Poirot is called in to investigate. And as he's going about the investigation, another murder happens in the estate, and now he wants to find out whether the murder is related. Both the murders are related, and who could be the culprit behind it. So there are these 6-7 characters in living in that estate who are under suspicion, and who Hercule Poirot is trying to figure them out. And then there is Hercule Poirot and his assistant. So she has created a new assistant for him. It's called his name is Catchpole, Edward Catchpole. That is her take on how she sees the Hercule Poirot character, and the story is narrated. So this assistant character is the narrator of the story. So I would say the style of writing is very similar to Agatha Christie. There is this good sense of humor, and a typical British time murder mystery which moves very slowly. It builds up, and then obviously it leads into a climax. The only drawback of this particular story is that the motives of why the crime happened are a little convoluted towards the end, which something that I was not so convinced by. But in general, I think the story is well built up, and I think it's a good read. So if you're looking forward to read a mystery story, you're looking forward to go back to your Agatha Christie days and want to catch up on Hercule Poirot, then do go check it out. The Killings at Kingfisher Hill by Sophie Hannah. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you liking my reviews. Please do share and subscribe and make my channel more and more popular. I look forward to bringing more reviews to you. Till next time, stay happy. Bye-bye.